akin pong pagbabalik, i-she-share ko po sa inyo yung naging aming mga pagpunta ng bisita iglesia. I-she-share ko lang po sa inyo na first time namin aming pamilya na bisita iglesia. Galing kami rito sa Santa Rosa, from Santa Rosa to hanggang nakarating kami ng Batangas. Kaya gusto ko i-share sa inyo. First time namin kasi na nagbisita iglesia at nag-rent kami ng sasakyan para dire-diretso ang aming tuloy-tuloy ang pag-namin ng bisita sa mga church ng mga bawat station. Ginawa namin 7 church para tagal-dalawang station sila. Kaya ginawa namin, nag-map ang mga anak ko para malaman namin kung ano-anong church ang namin napuntahan. Kaya eto, gusto ko lang pong i-share sa inyo para meron din kayong idea kapag kayo ay nagbisita iglesia next year. For today, ito yung pong March kami March ba yun or April ba yun? Nakalimutan ko na kasi matagal di ko na po na-upload. Kaya ito, i-share ko sa inyo yung aming kaganapan sa pagbisita sa mga simbahan. Kaya watch natin, tara, magtingin-tingin tayo. And please, like, share, and comment. And please subscribe to my channel. So, tara, ito po pakita natin. Dami pa tayong lalakbay. First station. Hindi mo nga kung Persian ba? Nasahin mo Shalom. Awan. Ikaw. Ano to? Saint ano? Saint Benedict. Saint Benedict Church. Paris Church. Saan tayo? Sa labas o dito? Saan yung mga istasyon din, no? Ay, di pala. Also painfully, had not Jesus taken my sins upon himself, they would have plunged me into the abyss of hell. Most merciful Jesus, I return thee 1,000 times for not permitting me to die in my sins and for
Riding on Calvary, Jesus was cruelly deprived of his garments. How painful his beating must have been. It was an earnest advocate, humbling body, so that in removing them parts of my flesh will turn away. Jesus is deprived of his garment that he may die possessed of nothing. How happy shall not I die after laying aside my evil habits and tendencies. Help me, Lord Jesus, to amend my life. Let it be renewed according to thy will and desire. However painful the correction may be to me, I will not spare myself with the assistance of
Station 11 station in Tagaytay Lourdes Parish.
We adore thee, O Christ, and we praise thee because we know the first to us. Take off his garments, his body and feet, and down on the cross. His hands and his feet are not eaten down. Jesus remains silent.
Dito na lang tayo, Lee. 13 yan eh.
Oh, sige. No, malik.
Ano ba yan? 13 yan eh. Dito 12.
Ganun din naman yun, para isa na nga lang eh. Ay, diretso na tayo eh.
Naman na kasi malamig.
13, 14 nga yung huli. Ano ka ba?
Hindi tayo dito.
Hindi. Ano ka ba? Yung isang simbahan pa punas mo eh. Yung isahan na lang sinasabi. The 12th station. Jesus dies on the cross. We adore thee, O Christ, and we praise thee.
As by thy holy cross, now receive my body. The Lord Jesus crucified, the Lord his soul, Lamb of me. So that I have no hope this life, except this death of my soul. Answer is in
To you will I offer sacrifice of thanksgiving, and I will call upon the name of the Lord.
Ay, magandang picture dyan. Picture kayong dalawa, huy.
Umakit saan? Dito. Oo, dun lang sa baba. Though pwede naman siguro yung pabalik natin dun. Dito.
May lusot ang duman.
Yun, Kirby.